Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for creative writing. To get started, open Claude in your browser. Once the page loads, you'll be taken to a fresh chat where you can begin writing right away. This is your workspace, and it's where you'll give Claude the instructions that shape the kind of creative writing you want to generate. Whether you're working on a short story, a poem, dialogue, character ideas, or even the opening scene of a novel, this is the place where the process begins. After you're on the Claude page, the next step is to type a prompt that clearly explains what you want. This is one of the most important parts of using AI well for creative writing. The more specific, simple, precise, and clear your prompt is, the more useful the response will usually be. Instead of giving a vague instruction, try to describe the writing task in a direct way. For example, you might ask for a suspenseful short story opening, a fantasy scene with a certain mood, or dialogue between two characters with different personalities. You can also include helpful details like tone, genre, setting, point of view, or length. As you write your prompt, keep it easy to understand. Clear instructions help Claude focus on your goal without confusion. If you already have an idea in mind, say exactly what you want it to create. If you want something polished and creative, it also helps to mention the style or emotional feeling you're aiming for. Simplicity doesn't mean being brief at all costs. It means being intentional and understandable. Once your prompt is ready, click Enter to send it. Claude will then generate a response based on your instructions. At that point, you can read through the result and decide how well it matches your vision. If the output feels too broad or doesn't capture the tone you wanted, that usually means the prompt can be refined further. In creative writing, small changes in wording can lead to very different results. So being thoughtful with your prompt makes a big difference. A useful tip to keep in mind is that Claude works best when you treat it like a creative collaborator. Give it a clear direction, and it can help you explore ideas faster and with more structure. With just these simple actions, opening Claude, writing a clear prompt, and sending it, you can start using AI as a practical tool to support your creative writing process.